right, good morning, happy Monday. So today is April 29th. Let's jump in right away to the pre-market prep. How am I feeling today? So feeling pretty good. Woke up at 4:35. I'm not gonna lie, this morning I woke up feeling pretty off. I didn't hear the alarm. I actually got up and was kind of like lost because I don't remember turning off the alarm, but obviously I did, but I just don't remember, and it was already 4:35. So yeah, I was feeling off. Got jump into the cold shower. Didn't have time this morning to pretty much review my trade from Friday, but I did do it when I pretty much clocked into work at 8. But yeah, pretty much I felt pretty off doing my morning routine, and I think it was just because of that. Cause I don't know, for some reason I just don't remember turning off my alarm. But I went to sleep around 8:30. Woke up at 4:35. I did have a hard time getting up from bed this morning. Even after I woke up and looked at my clock and I saw that it was already 4:30. I had a bit of a hard time getting up from bed, but got up and pretty much started my morning routine. So, but after training, after I had my coffee, after I had my sunlight, definitely feeling much better. Feeling better, not 100%. So I wanted to take that in consideration when trading today as well. But let's jump into the overall market. So SPY currently trading right around pretty much a Friday high a day, and we do have this psychological low which is 510. So we could break above that. We could potentially see a nice continuation higher for a nice move higher. Same thing with QQ is actually holding a little bit stronger. We're holding already above high a day. So for QQ is pretty much, yeah, if we get above 435 psychological level or on this above the superior area, I feel like we could see a nice move higher. It looks pretty good for a potential move higher. Jumping in with Tesla. Tesla had some news this morning, and it's having an insane gap up. Insane volume in pre-market session. I haven't seen this type of volume in a very long time. Not even for earning. We are close to almost 15 million volume. I think we are going to surpass that by the open, but it's some really impressive volume. So a couple things. I know there's going to be a lot of people, a lot of eyes on Tesla, especially because of the news. So I want to be cautious because we could potentially see fake outs, and a lot of people could get burned. So I want to just pay attention, and also we could just rally like how we could reject. But the cool thing with Tesla is that we have the volume behind it. So I feel like there's going to be a lot of people watching Tesla. So potentially we could see some clean pattern. So pretty much all my eyes going to be with Tesla today. But yeah, I don't want to rush it. I do want to pay attention to price action. I kind of like the move for potential rejection, and actually a hold of 190 off the open. But I am going to be a little bit patient. I want to let price action tell me so, because I don't want to be part of that 99%, that 90%, which are just jumping and chasing because of FOMO, because of fear of missing out. I don't want to be part of that. So I am very interested on Tesla, but I just want to wait and let price action tell me the story. Nvidia had a very nice, as you can see here, potential 1 hour bull flag. So it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad for potential move continuation higher, but we are pulling back in market session. So, but this one's just being patient and letting price action tell me a story. I do like it for a move higher, especially on the daily, as you can see, for a nice continuation. But in pre-market session, we are pulling back, and we did pretty much reject 880, and we actually rejected Friday high a day, which is 883.31. So with this one is just pretty much letting price action tell me a story. Again, Nvidia has been giving some clean price action to both directions, so just being patient, waiting for price action to come to me. And then I have Google. Google, I'm not really loving it, just because I'm going against a bigger picture, but I just have it there just in case. We do have this insane gap up, and we are currently trading a bit weaker than the overall market, so showing relative weakness. We're currently trading around Friday low a day. So very simple. I want to wait for additional confirmation. So I want to wait for a break and hold below 170, which is psychological level, for a potential gap fill area, like gap fill play. So with this one, I want to just wait for a clean bearish price action for me to be interested on taking this. But yeah, let's jump into pretty much the smaller time frame. So if we look at Google, let's start off with Google. So Google, very simple, as I said, a break and hold below psychological level 170 for a move to psychological level 169, 168, 167, and potentially 166. And the reason I stopped at 166 because ideally I like more like whole numbers like 165, but ATR on this stock is only 4.589. So that's around ATR. If you open around where we're gonna open, actually a little bit less. So it's actually, so yeah, I'm just gonna be paying attention. But the volume of market attention is pretty high, and we are showing relative weakness compared to the overall market. But with this one, again, a bigger picture is looking bullish, so I want to wait for clean direction to the downside. I want for bears to really take control. So if you want to see a move lower, looking at Nvidia. So Nvidia, as I said, with this one, it's just being patient and letting price action tell me the story. But ideally, for a push higher, because it's looking bullish in the higher time frame, I want to see us break and hold below yesterday high day for a move to potentially pre-market high and potentially 890. If we break 890 in this pretty much zone area, which we have a lot of highs and lows, we could potentially see a move to 895, 900. And then I have Tesla. Tesla is just, as you can see, super bullish. We are gapping up really nice, showing insane volume in market session. So I just want to let price action move the story, but obviously because it's bullish price action, I am more interested to alongside. But I just want to let price action tell me the story and go with its flow. But I want to be cautious because I don't want to get chopped up. But that being said, that's pretty much the game plan for Monday,